Welcome back. Previously, we demonstrated the multi-tiered business account structure schematically. Today we will guide you through creating a new account from scratch and explore the unique privilege of account owner from dedicated owner dashboard. Go to the website arealink.cloud. Click on the login button on top right corner. On login page, look for sign up. Click on it to open the registration page. Fill in required information, business name and your name. Note: the name you entered will be your username and cannot be changed. The email address will be used to receive the verification code and to log in. Make sure you input correct information. Password has to be at least 8 digits and contains upper and lower cases, numbers and special characters. You can view our terms of service and privacy policy by clicking the hyperlinks. Our system is built to protect user privacy, therefore, all information you provide is strictly for providing service. We do not sell your business information. Click Create Account. Enter the verification code sent to your email. If you accidentally close the browser before verification, just log in to return to this page. Done, account is created successfully. We are ready to use the service. As previously delineated, the account owner possesses 2 administrative privileges, super admin and admin. Each role is associated with a dedicated administrative interface, providing role-specific functionality and access controls tailored to the respective permission levels. Let's have a look what's in super admin's dashboard. Upon logging in, you'll see your username and current role displayed in the top left corner of the screen, confirming you're logged in with the right permissions. Over on the left side, you'll find the primary navigation, where you'll access all the key administrative functions you can manage, like handling payments and creating new admin users. Before diving into these features, let's first make the dashboard your own. See the settings icon in the bottom right corner? Go ahead and click on it. This opens up your personalization options, where you can switch languages, toggle between different display modes and layouts, adjust the contrast for better visibility, and choose a theme color that suits your style. Once you've got everything looking just right, head back to the primary navigation. Currently, we do not offer paid service, so we can skip the billing management for now. Clicking on Business Profile takes you to your profile details, where you can easily update your business information and address at any time. And then is the security section. This is where you can change your password, and more importantly, enable 2-factor authentication. While 2FA isn't mandatory for using the service, we strongly recommend turning it on. It's a simple step that adds an extra layer of protection to your account. Feel free to explore it. Let's go back to admin management and create one more admin user. Click the Add Admin button, the one with a plus icon on top right. Fill in the required fields. You can set up a temporary password and have it sent directly to the user. Password can be reset after user's email is verified. You can manage any users you created by clicking the 3-dot icon in the Actions column. Technically, our system allows you to remove yourself from admins. However, I would strongly advise against this, as doing so would effectively lock you out of storage management. Alright, we are done with super admin's dashboard. Before wrapping up, let's have a look at a regular admin's login flow. See, you don't get to choose logging in as super admin. That's account owner's privilege. Anyway, this is the storage management interface we are going to explore in our next video. See you then.